Hello guys, in this video I will demonstrate auto retry on IT exception feature in WorkQueue. I will show how you can set up retry mechanism for WorkQueue item using this cool feature. We will start with creating a new WorkQueue. Click new WorkQueue button, enter the WorkQueue name and appropriate description. Scroll down and enable auto retry on IT exception toggle switch. Increase the max retry count to 3. Click save to set up a work queue. Next, add a new work queue item. Enter its name and description. Scroll down. Enter some sample text. Let's say for testing auto retry feature, something like that. Click create button to create a new work queue item. Let's verify the detail of this new work queue item. You can see retry count is set as 0 initially. Now create a desktop flow. Enter the flow name. Just close these additional pop-ups and search for work queue item in the action list. We will start with process work queue item action. This action will dequeue the item from the work queue. Just select the work queue we have created. Next, we will use update work queue item and we will set the status as IT exception because retry was only for this status, not for other status. Next, we will update the processing node for each work queue item. In the processing nodes, we will put the retry count for each retry iteration. So just pull the current retry count variable from the list and save this action. The last step is to add wait action to pause the flow so that we can verify count in each retry iteration from the work queue detail page. Save and run the flow to test it. In the first iteration, the flow dequeue the work queue item, update the status to IT exception. It also add processing nodes and wait for 20 seconds. Let's go to work queue screen to verify the retry count. It shows as 0 and we can see the processing nodes are also updated. The flow has completed the second iteration. Meanwhile, the flow is paused. So let's quickly verify the retry count from the details page. You can see the count has been increased to 1 and the processing nodes are also updated. Go back to the desktop flow to see its execution. Now third iteration is completed. Let's switch back to the work queue details page. You can see the count is increased to 2 and the processing nodes are also updated accordingly. Let's go back to the work desktop flow for final iteration. Switch back to the work queue item to verify the count. The retry count has reached the maximum limit, that is 3. See the retry count in processing nodes as well. Jump back to the desktop flow as max retry count has reached. So it will not dequeue that item and the flow stops. Let's verify the detail of work queue item. The status has been set to IT exception. Click item to see more details. The retry count is set to 3. Final status of the work queue item is IT exception, and the retry count is also shown in the processing node. So that's it. This way we can set up retry mechanism for work queue items by enabling auto retry count setting in work queue. For more videos on feature update and use cases, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.